Alright folks, here we go. Some parking lights. I got the off-road light halos on with the parking lights. The KC bumper lights, the halogens. And then put the regular beams on. Then put the high beams on. Kind of not really that good. I gotta change those. But then if we put the off-road lights on, lights everything up nice. I think the left is a little too far left, but I'll make some adjustments this weekend. So we're going to drive with the low beams on, high beams on, halos with the KCs. This is my normal view. Then I put the off-road lights on.